Hi there. Welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. After completing the configuration in the first part of our demo, we will begin the demonstration today. As we saw last time, we successfully completed the configuration and perfectly set up the map list. Let's begin. First look at the map, we can see that the markers are colored based on the account type. The tooltip is a custom formula field that can be customized to display any information as needed. From here, we can explore the area. Let's start by doing a search, for example. By adjusting the radius, we can explore the accounts within our search zone. As you can see, some accounts within the search zone are starting to appear. From here, we can view the account or edit it if needed. We can do multiple selections and assign those accounts to different owner. We have two ways to do this, which we will explain the second one later. We can refresh the map. We can do the quick or the advanced filter. Let's filter the map to display only the prospect accounts. Now the map shows only the account with account type prospect. Let's see the owner on this account. The second method for mass assign is to click on the Control key on the keyboard and select the accounts. Automatically, you can see that the accounts are selected. Click the drop-down and click Assign. Let's change the owner. Let's check if we changed the owner. The owner has changed. We can do the search by the account name. From here we can see the detail fields. Clicking on an account in the list will guide us to its exact location, and also clicking on an account on the map will guide us to the account on the list. Thank you for watching.